Hi, welcome to Artbox Creation. How to make today we are going to learn how to make a beehive from waste. Required materials: 1 milk can, jute thread, glue, color papers, 1 thermoform ball, a pollen or black paper. First we will cut the milk can. Both side of the milk can we will take. Then with the CD or the masking tape or any circle device will take and cut the circle thing. Here I took one big milk can and small milk can side. You take it only one size. Mark it running circle. Then go with the line and cut it. This method I showed in the instant earring. Spiral cutting. Both cut it. Joining time, this two we are attaching together when opposite direction. Take the jute thread and go first tie and then go like rolling. I showed in the instant jewelry also like this. That single thread I kept inside, but better you take and keep it in your left hand. That is for hanging. If you are keeping outside only, when you are rolling this thread, it is disturbing you. Better you keep it in your left hand thumb, then roll it. That's why I kept it like this. Then roll. Tightly roll the jute thread. Top to bottom. Without giving any gap. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Both both circle what you cut both circle you have to roll with the jute thread. Don't give any gap. You are coming to end means both together you have to join. How to join I'll show you. Almost finished. When you are coming to end, take other part also. Keep in as opposite direction. Just check the how you are going to fix it. Then take the two end of the that circle thing, then join with the same jute thread, running thread. Tightly join, otherwise it will come out. Now you just check. It is one piece. Both together join opposite direction. I kept one thread down before when we are tying, no, that time. Then you have to join with the other jute thread every circle, spiral, top to bottom, both together. Four side, join it. How I am going to join? Just watch properly. Four or six side you can join, like here how I showed, no, like that you have to join four side or six side or eight side, how much you are comfortable, like that only do it. This activity based on one lesson also, beehive, honey factory. You have to join. Now I finished two side, like this you can continue four side or six side or eight side, like that you can complete your project. Every thread take it up. This is finished one. Everything join and plait it or just tie it, knot. Now you have to do high finished. Now you have to do bees. Without bees, hive is incomplete. Take the one thermofoam ball, cut it in 6 pieces, then give shape. Very easy face shape. Then color with marker. Here I used black marker and um, mm, highlighter, yellow highlighter. First with black marker we'll mark it. Then highlighter, I used here highlighter, yellow. Then you have to make wings also for base. Small wings. You can make blue wings or yellow wings. Your wish. Here you are getting one pair of wings. Just stick it. Like this bees, you can make so many bees. One thermocol ball, you will do six bees. You can make more thermocol ball. You are using means more bees you can make. Then stick it one by one. Help of glue. Now your beehive is ready. Enjoy your project. Thank you.